into this. Gage plays Pokemon Go, which is ironic because the only thing he's ever caught is type 2 diabetes.
Oh, shit!
And apparently it's still evolving. Yeah. The diabetes. Yeah. It's getting worse.
I do play Pokemon Go.
It's an incredible game. You should all play it. Just you think you would walk more if you played it.
Ryan plays Super Smash Brothers because he fucks children.
It's an incredible game. You can't prove any of this.
That's also